Hello guys, I'm back. Let's go to another term in chemical process engineering in plant design. And today the term is what is CCUS? My name is Jeferson Costa and I teach students, graduates and engineers how to work with chemical process engineering and plant design. The term CCUS is most used in the decarbonization industry when we are talking about projects that have the objective of remove CO2 from a source or from atmosphere, or to avoid the release of CO2, we usually you will find the term CCUS. So what it means? CCUS means carbon capture, utilization and storage. This term is used to identify one process where we have the capture of the CO2 from one stream, and the CO2 captured can be used or utilized for another process, for instance, to production of green urea, or it can be compressed and sent to storage, for instance, in depleted wells on onshore or offshore wells. So with this, you have another term used in chemical process engineering and plant design. CCUS, carbon capture, utilization, and storage. Share this video with other students, graduates, and engineers to help them know more about chemical process engineering and plant design. This is it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye-bye.